Did you know that the kitchenware you use every day could be harming your health, disrupting your hormones, or even leaving microplastics in your body? Stay tuned, because this video will break down what's causing this harm and how TAIMA is changing the kitchen game across the US. The most common kitchenware: plastic, wooden, or non-stick pans. They're cheap, easy to buy, and used by millions of people around the world. Chances are you're using them too. Unfortunately, many people don't know that plastic cutting boards leach hormone-disrupting microplastics, wooden boards trap bacteria and grow mold, non-stick pans release harmful chemicals when they flake or overheat. These were the reasons a small team of creators set out on a mission to reinvent kitchenware so it could be safer, cleaner, and more durable for you. That's how TAIMA Titanium was born. We knew there had to be a better way, so we turned to pure titanium. Why pure titanium? Because it's 100% non-toxic and non-corrosive, naturally antibacterial and completely sterile, incredibly durable and extreme heat resistant, the most biocompatible metal on Earth. More than 500,000 kitchens in the US alone are now safer and healthier thanks to TAIMA's non-toxic titanium pans, heat-safe utensils, and antibacterial cutting boards. All incredibly durable and resistant to extreme heat. TAIMA Titanium cares about your health and well-being. Here's the proof. We are the only brand worldwide offering kitchenware made of pure medical-grade titanium that is both SGS certified and FDA compliant. That means it's proven safe for food contact at the highest level. So why would you choose our titanium kitchenware? First, it's 100% non-toxic and non-reactive. That means no harmful chemicals leaching into your food, no matter how often you cook or how hot your pan gets. Plus, it has superior heat control and even distribution, helping preserve up to 40% more nutrients so that your meals stay as healthy as nature intended. That's because we use medical-grade titanium, the purest form possible, and it's the one used in surgical implants and medical tools for decades. It's safe, naturally non-reactive, non-leaching, and proven to last a lifetime. With TAIMA, you'll never have to worry about toxins sneaking into your family's meals ever again. Second, it's more sustainable. Titanium doesn't degrade or wear down like other materials. In fact, it only gets stronger and safer with use, while staying light and easy to handle. No wonder it's used in aerospace and defense, where failure is not an option. For you, that means a one-time investment that lasts for generations. And third, it's ridiculously easy to clean. Unlike most cookware, you can throw it in the dishwasher and forget about scrubbing because it never holds on to stains or odors. That means more time and energy for you and your family. Let's compare that to traditional cookware found in many kitchens, maybe even yours. Non-stick pans, they're coated with PTFE and PFAS, forever chemicals that flake, peel, and release toxins when overheated. Stainless steel may contain nickel and chromium, which can leach into your food under high heat, especially when cooking acidic foods like tomatoes, lemons, or pepper. Even ceramic pans lose their coating after just a year or two, exposing a toxic aluminum layer which is not safe to cook with. Pure titanium doesn't react with food, doesn't release harmful particles, and doesn't break down over time. But how exactly can TAIMA Titanium kitchenware protect your health? Titanium is naturally antibacterial. That means less bacteria buildup and safer meals for your family. And since it's 100% pure titanium with no toxic coatings, glues, or fillers, you don't have to worry about harmful chemicals leaching into your meals or liquids. Because here's the truth. Many people don't know that traditional non-stick and plastic kitchenware can release microplastics and forever chemicals, affecting your hormones, gut health, and even contributing to brain fog, weight gain, and other health risks. But with TAIMA Titanium, you avoid all of that. You're using clean, safe, and durable kitchenware without ingesting any dangerous chemicals. No microplastics, no forever chemicals, no bacteria and mold, and and no hormone disruptors. That means cooking without poisoning your food. Now that you know why TAIMA Titanium is safer and smarter, let's see the full lineup and what each product can do for you. Our most popular, NutriPan Pro, is a great choice for those looking for a lightweight, strong, and completely non-toxic pan that cooks your favorite meals evenly while keeping the nutrients locked in. Instead of relying on chemical, non-stick coatings, it uses a slip scale pattern, a unique titanium imprint that reduces friction so food slides off easily. That means cooking at lower temperatures without losing nutrients or flavor. Next up, our NutriPot Pro is available in medium and large sizes. Cook your favorite soups, stews, or pasta that will be tastier and healthier than ever. It's toxin-free and tough enough for slow simmers or hours in the oven without warping or breaking down. For prep work, our sleek titanium cutting boards made from non-toxic, indestructible materials stay clean and odor-free. Unlike plastic boards that shed microplastics or wood and bamboo that trap bacteria in the cracks, TAIMA boards let you prepare food while protecting your body from hidden mold and harmful bacteria buildup. Of course, no kitchen is complete without utensils. TAIMA Titanium utensils are ultralight, heat-resistant, and completely non-toxic, ready for any kitchen task. You can leave them in the boil, rest them on the hot pan, they'll be perfectly fine. And here's a fun fact. Titanium is softer than the hardened steel used in 99% of kitchen knives. On the hardness scale, steel blades are about 3 times harder than titanium, meaning that the board can't grind down or chip your edges. Unlike other materials, our pure titanium utensils never absorb odors, never trap bacteria, and are 100% free from harmful chemicals. And for hydration on the go, the TAIMA Titanium water bottle keeps your drinks toxin-free and fresh without any metallic taste. Pair it with the reusable titanium ice cubes and keep every sip cold, clean, and undiluted. Every TAIMA product reflects our promise: kitchenware that protects your health and your family, simplifies your life, and lasts for generations. So what are you waiting for? Head to taimatitanium.com and upgrade your kitchen with tools that are safe, stylish, and built to last. Because your meals, your health, and your family deserve the best. You deserve TAIMA.